Okay, hello guys. Today we're doing sigma notation and series. First of all, you need to be aware that this represent the sum. This is a Greek sign which represent the sum. And this value, k is equal to 1, is the first term that must be substituted in on the general formula there. And this one, which is n, represent the last term that must be substituted on your general term to find the value of the last term. So to find the number of terms, you need to say top. In our case, the top is n minus the bottom, which is 1, plus 1. So you'll find the number of terms. So the number of terms in this case is represented by n, since minus 1 plus 1 gives you n. So yeah, let's have a look at the first example. Example 1. The question is calculate the sum. You've been given this, you need to evaluate or calculate. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to substitute the first term, which is 1. So you will have 2 times 1, and your first term will be 2. And then again, you need to substitute the next term, which is 2. Your second term, which is T2, will be 4. And again, you need to say 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So guys, on this section, you just need 3 terms to identify the type of the series we are dealing with. So it's 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to the last term. So if we were to find the last term, you would need to substitute 8. So this is 2 for the last term. It will be 2 times 8, which is equal to 16. So the last term is 16. All right, so we need to find the sum of this. So the simplest way to find the sum, since we have identified the series is arithmetic, as you can see the difference is 2. So you just need to write the formula for the sum as n is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. The reason why I'm using this formula is because the last term is known. The last term is 16. So it's easier to use this one. So the number of terms. So let's first have a look at the number of terms. How do you find the number of terms in the sigma notation? What you need to do, I would like to write here. What you need to do is to say top minus bottom, as I've done before, plus 1. So you'll find the number of terms by just doing that. So it's 8 minus 1 plus 1. Then you'll find the value, which is 8. So we know that we have 8 terms divided by 2. The first term is 2 plus the last term, which is 16. So we have 8 divided by 2, and we also have 8 in there. And then we need to find, we need to multiply these two and find our final answer.